Hey, so I'm so excited for this package that I received yesterday. It's by this label called Own Only What's Needed. This is my plant protein, and this is a product labeled by brand by Food Farmer that we all know and adore for his information that he spreads about food and good food and not so good food. So, this is the plant protein powder by Only What's Needed. It has labels in big fonts right in the front of the package. There are no fancy pictures on the package. It has the diagram of how much percentage of what goes in making this protein, and the back has the number of tests, about 8 type of tests that have been performed on this protein, and the ingredient list, etc. Let's see what else. This has they, I think, apparently packed the wrong size of scoop inside the package, so they rectified it. It's 45-gram scoop inside the package, so they packed another one of 33 grams outside the package. So that's what they say, we made a mistake, and now they rectified it. This has some problems that they mention, and the solution to that. They've also given the information about all the ingredients and what goes. Everyone deserves to know what's in their food. That's why we made this in Braille too. Oh, interesting. So I can't read this obviously, but this is in Braille, and this has apparently all the information about what went into making this protein powder. Verify your pack now. So there's a scan QR code here, and if you scan that, you will see all the test results of the testing done on this batch of plant protein powder. So very cool. I haven't tried it yet, but that. And this is an oil board. So how much oil goes in making what? In chips, in biscuits, in pakoras, bhujia. So that's that. So it's actually a fridge magnet that you can put on the fridge. So when you're about to make wrong choices, not so good choices, you can just see this and try to make better choices. So I'm so excited to try this plant protein by our very own Food Farmer, by his label called Own Only What's Needed. So excited. And it's not that costly. And of course, disclaimer, I have bought this with my own money. I'm not an influencer. I just want to promote good products and good people on my page. So here goes. Yay to Food Farmer for giving us good food.